I'm Tom from Do It Yourself Home Automation, and this is a look at the Step 2 kids table out here on my balcony outside. So this is a really great outdoor table for kids, and it's made out of a plastic material. It has sort of a faux wood type of grain to it, and I like that gives it a little bit more grip if your kids are sitting on the two benches that we get along the sides. They're not going to necessarily slip off, and this is a good surface for them to do outdoor projects. It's a good kids table if you're doing a barbecue and you want a spot for kids to safely be outside. It's really low to the ground, so it's easy for them to get in and out, and the manufacturer says this can accommodate 6 kids. So I think it would depend on the size of the kids. Probably, you could do 6, maybe 3 or 4 year olds. Probably more comfortably 4 kids could sit around this table. And one thing I'm not showing here is originally came with an umbrella that comes out of the top and provides a little sun protection. So we've got the sun on here. That can be helpful. I find that it also works totally fine without that. And it works great as, again, a table to eat at outside or a table to do crafts. And I really like that you can be outside and do things like planting, planting these nice succulents. You don't have to worry about getting dirt or art supplies or whatever all over your inside table. Also, if you're going to have a messy snack like a popsicle, this is a great table to sit outside and do that. I've had mine outdoors for a couple of years now, and it's held up really well. You can see everything is in really good condition still here. And putting it together was super easy. It basically just comes in these individual large pieces, and you just open up the legs, put the bench on, put the top on, and then there are some screws that screw in to hold everything in place. So despite being really solid, low center of gravity, it's not going to fall over or anything. It's also pretty light and pretty easy to move around, so you can easily reposition this around your yard as you're doing a barbecue or other kind of an event. You can even move it inside. It works great as a easy to clean, easy to use crafts table or indoor table if you have some space in your house and you want to have a nice table for your kids to eat at or do projects at.